Hi everyone, in this video I will show you exactly how to use AirPlay 2 with Sonos speakers in 2026. Now first of all you need to understand this thing that not all the Sonos speakers support the AirPlay 2. So you need to make sure that the Sonos speaker that you are using, make sure that it supports the AirPlay 2. Also you need to ensure that your iPhone or your iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. Now, your Apple device and Sonos speakers must be on the same Wi-Fi network for them to work together. If they are on different networks, AirPlay will not detect the speaker. So once both of these devices are connected with the same Wi-Fi, your speaker should appear automatically. So once that is done, simply open the control center on your iPhone. Over here, you just have to tap on the AirPlay icon in the music or the media section. Then when you see this type of drop down menu, you just have to simply select your Sonos speakers from the list. Audio will start playing instantly as soon as you tap on that. You can also use AirPlay inside the applications like Apple Music or YouTube. Then tap on the AirPlay icon and choose your speaker. And this is going to let you stream the audio and the video content very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.